What's up guys, so welcome back. So we've just hit 3k followers on the channel and I want to say a massive welcome to all you new guys and welcome back to all you original guys. Alright, so today's resole project, we've got a nice pair of roughed up Timberland boots. Now for these we're going to be ripping them right down to the bare bones, rebuilding up with a new fake welt and a nice Vibram sole on the bottom there. We're going to clean and condition the uppers, get some life back into them, and we should be good to go. Alright guys, so you know what to do. Keep watching to see how it turns out. Alright guys, let's get started on the breakdown on these. So as you can see here, we've got a lot of separation already. The welt has come away from the upper and the sole has come away from the welt area. So what we're going to be doing is just ripping all this off, getting us right down to the bare bones of the shoe. So we're just going to get right down to the uppers and I'm going to rebuild them back up. And these are heavily glued on, so the best way sort of just to cut all the way down the sole, prise it apart quite a lot better. Right, now we've got most of the sole portion off, so it gives us a little bit easier access to take off the storm welt a little bit easier. So I've heated this up in the heat lamp just to sort of soften everything, deactivate the glues a little bit. It's worked on the edge, but there's a wee bit on the inside that we're just going to have to slice with a knife just to get through there. Alright, so that's us down to the bare uppers. So what we're going to be doing now is giving these a good cleaning condition, using some nice nubuck cleaner, get all the dirt and crap off of there, and then we're going to be sticking on the new welt. Alright guys, let's do it! Okay, now it's time just to glue around the area where the new welt's going to sit. Now we're going to try and be careful not to get any extra glue on the uppers. With them being suede nubuck style, it's quite hard to get off, so we're going to take some good care when we're popping this glue on. So it is just a glue on welt. This is what it looks like. So we just glue it on the underside here, stick it down, and attach the sole on top of that. sort of see where it's darker here. That's where the old well was, so we're just going to be gluing up to that area. Alright guys, so now we're ready to pop on the midsole. So going for a leather midsole with these ones. So everything's glued up, new sole's nice and hot, ready to go. Now we're just going to use the press here, press that sole into place, leave it on there for 30 seconds to a minute, allow that to bond secure. Alright, so we've roughed up the top of the leather there, just allow us to get the glue to adhere better to it. So we're going to be gluing up the sole here, and we're going to be gluing up the new Vibram unit, which is here. I'm going to leave this glue to dry for a good 5 to 7 minutes. Once that's dry, we'll come back and pop another coat on. With it being a nice new piece of leather all the time, it just seems to absorb the first coat of glue, and you don't really get that great a bond. So we're going to come back and pop another coat on there. We won't need to do the same for this. This doesn't seem to absorb any of the glue at all, so we're just going to pop on one nice even coat all the way around the bottom of this sole. And then once that's dry, we'll heat that back up in the heat lamp and ready to stick. So we've got our sole in the heat lamp, just heating up, and then we get ready to stick to the sole. Alright, we're ready to go, so let's get this stuck on. Alright guys, so the shoe's coming together pretty nicely now. We've got our new sole on, our new welt, and they've been cleaned and conditioned. So what our next step now is, as you may be able to see, we've got a little bit of overhang from where the sole was attached to the shoe. So we're just going to be roughing that up, getting it matched to the contour of the shoe, and we should be good to go. Alright, so keep watching. Boom! Alright guys, so that's our sole all trimmed to the contour of the shoe. Now this leather midsole I want to get really super smooth. So in order to do that, I get a little wet damp cloth and we'll rub the edges. And we take a little bit of fine sand grit paper and we'll just work our way around the shoe, sanding that as smooth as we can. Once that's done, we'll apply some neutral polish and give that a really good buff and shine. Okay, so that's our smooth edges there. Got a wee bit natural polish on here. Just going to pop that on. And you can see the difference there straight away. We'll put a couple of coats around that, leave it to dry, and using a little brush, we're just going to brush that up to a nice high gloss shine. Let's do it! Alright, so that's it all smoothed out, all nice and polished. So what we're going to be doing now is just tacking this cuff leather here. And we've got a wee bit of dark brown polish. We're just going to bring some colour and life back into that. Pretty dry at the moment, so a little bit of polish, a little bit of buffing should bring that back to how it used to be. So we're going to leave that to dry for 5 or 10 minutes, pop a second coat on, leave that to dry for 5 or 10 minutes, and buff that to a high shine using the brushes. Alright guys, so that's us done with another project. So for these Timberland boots this time around, we ripped everything right down to the bare uppers, popped on a nice new fake welt, a leather midsole, and a really nice Vibram sole on the bottom there. Cleaned and conditioned the uppers as best we could, got some colour and life back into them, and also on the cuff, we've repolished that just to bring some colour back into that too. Alright guys, let's show you the before. So this is what it looked like before. Pretty trashed, pretty wrecked, and this is what it looks like now. So all in all, I think a good job. Now we just need to tackle the other one. Alright, so as always guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are legends, each and every one of you. Mad respect to you. Alright, so until the next one, I've been Cobbler G. You've been legends. A peace.